How can you become the best known person in your industry? How can you get 2 to 8 more referrals per month? Have you ever said, I need more clients. I freaking hate cold calling. So in this quick video, I'm going to give you all kinds of ideas that will help you, and also understand this is video number 3 of 5. So make sure you watch all of them. Here we go. Make sure you watch the entire video because there's some great ideas. Here we go. This is how you become the best known person in your area. I've personally had over 4,300, not 43, not 430, 4,300 one-on-one meetings in coffee shops. I still do them now. I don't even need to work anymore. I still do 5 a week. We probably did 6 or 7 this week. I don't even need to leave the house anymore because of what I'm going to teach you today. When you have a network built, now keep in mind, everybody in the room, somewhere in the neighborhood of 5 to 30 hours a week, you are looking for business. That's just a fact of life. 5 to 30 hours a week, you're looking for business. When you're getting 5 to 8 referrals a week, then I'm not spending the time you are. So that frees up 5 to 30 hours a week to hang out, go on hikes, smoke a lot of cigars, watch baseball games. Don't have to do a lot. But it took me 9 years to build it. 9 years to get where I don't have to do it anymore. It's not overnight. Marcella's did it in about 2.5 or 3. She's smarter than I am. And also it took me 5 years to figure it all out and then put it into a system that if I could do it, I knew I could build it into something to teach it to other people. Can you imagine if I met all of you in the room and spent 1.5 hours with you, not running my mouth, but talking about what you do, learning more about what you do, learning about your services, how you grew up, how you got there, how you became as successful as you are? Can you imagine? I've had 4,300 of those conversations. Can you imagine what's in my little pea brain? It's unreal. And the only thing I was really gifted with is I have near perfect recall if I've had a conversation with you. So if I have coffee with you, I can repeat about half the conversation back 5 years from now. That's my only gift. That's my only gift. But it's also called, forget that gift. Take friggin' notes. Take friggin' notes. Hey, thanks for watching this far. Please hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any comments, any questions, put them down below. Back to the video. Okay, because people see you taking notes. Here's the thing. I've met with people that are trying to sell me the weight loss potion and all that kind of stuff, and I don't have a problem with it except when you're pitching it on me hard. I still take 2 pages of notes. Whether I care or not, taking notes makes you appear that you care. It's just the appearance of caring. If I see everybody in the room and nobody's taking any notes the whole time I'm speaking, I'm screwing up, and it makes me like, what am I doing wrong? I see people taking notes, I go, somebody's learning something. As long as if one of you gets one idea today, it was worth me getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So how many power bars can you name? How many do you meet with? Unless you're off the chain, busy. I mean, 5 a week is nothing. It's nothing. You have lunch every day, meet with somebody. How many coffee meetings per week? How many have you had total? We track all that stuff. An honor to be here. Is that good? It's the best I can do. Thank you. Hey, thanks again for watching the entire video. Please give it a thumbs up, a like. Please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. And right around here, there's going to be 2 more videos for you to watch. Keep on networking. See you soon. Bye-bye.